Deleting an EVS disk. If an EVS disk is no longer used, you can delete the disk to release the virtual resources. You will be not billed for a disk after it is deleted. Before you delete an EVS disk, ensure that the disk status is available, error, expansion failed, restoration failed, or rollback failed. For more constraints, see Elastic Volume Service User Guide in Huawei Cloud Help Center. This video shows you how to delete a single EVS disk and how to delete EVS disks in a batch. The procedure for deleting a single disk is as follows. 1. View the disk statuses. 2. Select the disks you want to delete. 3. Delete the selected disks. Log into the Huawei Cloud Console. In the service list, choose Elastic Volume Service to go to the EVS console. Deleting a single disk. View the disk status and check whether the disk can be deleted. A disk in the in-use status cannot be deleted. You need to detach it from the server first. The disk can be deleted after its status changes from detaching to available. Delete the disk. The disk has been deleted. Deleting disks in a batch. View the disk statuses and check whether the disks can be deleted. Disks in the available status can be deleted. Select the disks you want to delete. Delete the selected disks in a batch. The disks have been deleted.